Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing a notification each time that says that you've earned over $100 through bank transfer straight into your account, and then receiving another notification that says that you've earned another $400 into your PayPal account. This is a usual thing for me and for a lot of people actually, because these people know the secret that does this for them, and that's exactly what we're going to be showing you in today's video. Today's video is going to completely change your views on making money online in ways that you've never experienced before. Today, we're showing you 5 free apps that's going to help you earn almost $100 without basically doing any work at all. You obviously need to download these apps to start earning, but that's really all of it. Now, all of these websites are completely free. You don't need to register your credit card or pay for anything at all. These websites are available to everyone around the world, so you don't need to worry about anything like that at all. So make sure that you watch this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our first app for today is called InstaGC, and to get to their website, you can just type in instagc.com, and this is where that should take you to. You can earn so much money from this app just by downloading it. As you can see, it says digital cards received instantly. Join our fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. You can earn by completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and even searching the web. Now, this works on both iOS and Android phones, which is great. Here are some payment proofs of this website. There's been a lot of people who have already cashed out, as you can see, and you could be one of them. So make sure that you try this website out right away. Now, our next app is called AppKarma, and to get to their website, you can just type in appkarma.io, and that should lead you to here. Obviously, you should download this on your mobile phone, and you can download this on both iOS and Android devices, so you go ahead and do that. Now, as you can see, earn rewards playing with apps. It's free. You complete offers to earn rewards, and then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. So these are available for both iOS and Android users, as we mentioned earlier. So you install here and you get 300 points. Now, just by installing, you can already earn, so make sure that you get this app installed. Alright, now they have referral awards. You can share your invite link or your referral code, and then you can earn up to 30%, or actually 30% of what your referrals earn. So YouTubers, bloggers, and anyone interested in becoming an affiliate can join the VIP referral program. So if you're watching this and you are a YouTuber or you're a vlogger, then you can join their VIP referral program. If you do have a social media presence like YouTube or Instagram or a blog site, they can help you make more money than they promised us regular people. So that's basically it. You can also play on here. Karma Play let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on AppKarma. Simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. You can also get achievement badges. You can get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. You install 5 apps, you watch 25 videos, you check in 5 times. Those are just some of the things that you can get awarded an achievement badge for. So you can also increase your reward level additional each time that you earn a Karma Play badge. So that's from levels 1 to 4. You can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. So 12.5 bonus, that is huge. Now, these are all wonderful benefits and rewards. So what are you waiting for? Download and start earning. Now, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our third app is called CashKick, and to get to their website, you can just type in cashkick.com and that should take you to here. Cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all of the fun things you're already doing online. You can earn through answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and even surfing the web. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, you find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. You can complete as many as you'd like. There's literally no limit. Number 2, you can watch your earnings grow in your account. Your insights help companies grow, so they're happy to pay you for your time and effort. You just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your mission by mission by mission by mission. And lastly, number 3, you can cash out early, easily, and often. CashKick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and we deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $10 at a time. Now, how does CashKick work? Companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and they'll take care of the rest. There are even some testimonials down here that reassure you that this website is legit, so you make sure that you get this app installed ASAP so you can already start earning. Next website is called superpaid.me, and we've talked about this before, but I just realized that it's been quite a long time since we did, and that's why we're bringing it up, because this is such an amazing deal. So now, to give you guys a quick recap, you can make money online with free paid surveys today, fast payments within 24 hours, there's a low cash out threshold, you can work from home, you can get promo codes, and you can join cash contests. There are free paid surveys and offers. You get a 20-cent join bonus, which everybody loved about this website in particular. There are generous referral program here, and they've also paid out over $4 million, which means that you know you won't be scammed on this website, and we would never give you a website that scams, okay? They also cash out through PayPal, gift cards, Skrill, and even Bitcoin. Before, they actually didn't have Bitcoin, and we remember this because we made a video on superpaid.me before, and they didn't have Bitcoin. So this is a pretty good upgrade because crypto is like booming, man. So this is really, really good. Now, you can take part in surveys and offers. You can make money by taking part in those paid surveys. Now, they have hundreds of new surveys available every day. So every single day, you can do a couple of surveys and just earn. You can also earn by watching videos and completing paid offers, and you also get paid by that. Now, over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill, or you can exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. So make sure that you check this website out, especially if you are new here and you've never heard about superpaid.me. So if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now, our last and the newest website in the newest edition is called SmartApp.com. This one is also going to pay you to do surveys, so make sure that you check this website out as well. And that is basically everything. When you combine all of these websites, then no doubt you're getting even more than what we promised you today. And that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.